All right, fish fans, we're out here at Bartlett Lake and we're fishing, me and my buddy Robert. And I just fired up the camera. It is a windy one. We're having a big cold front coming in today. It's coming in tonight. It's going to rain all night tonight, all day tomorrow. It's supposed to have snow down to 3,000 feet. Today is February 19th, Robert. Today February 19th? Yeah, today's February 19th, so it's the big storm that's coming, February 19th, 2013. And we're way back here to a secret little cove we like to fish. Fishing in really chilly water, and it's really muddy. So you know what that means. We're going to be using some of our technique to catch them fish in cold, muddy water. And that's usually big bladed spinner baits, really big crank baits, slower moving baits. But the wind is just becoming a real challenge for us. We're really battling that wind. But, so, you can see, it's beautiful out right now. There's the moon coming up over the mountain there. And we're going to let you know what them fish are biting on. We'll figure them out. As you can see, Robert's throwing a bright chartreuse crankbait. Smart move in this muddy water. And I've got to battle the wind to keep us off of the rocks and shore. Hey fish fans, we got one on. Robert got one. We're here at Bartlett. Robert picked one up on his chartreuse crankbait. We're back here fishing the shallows.
There he is, guys.
Hey, we finally did it. We've been fishing a while, and we finally got a place to let us actually try to do some good.
Yeah, this brush, we better get us off there someday.
Yeah, we'll do.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, he just
Wind's blowing us everywhere.
Right off the brush here.
Awesome.
See, he's like color too. They're deep.
Yep. Well, that and the stained water, no sunlight.
Stained water.
Yeah, we're fishing mud, chocolate milk. I'm gonna pull us back out here a ways. I was throwing a spinner bait. Hit bottom. That was the
got him on the Uzari there. Little chunk there. Not bad. Typical Bartlett bass.
awesome. We get to hold on. We get him going back here. Okay, we're good. And there he goes.
There he goes.
Cool. Well, we're gonna re-rig our baits and run this shoreline again from this point. Run right back down here where we picked him up at. Where there's one, there's more. Now we also saw a bird getting some bait fish right here. Remember?
Yeah, so they may be in here too.
Yeah, I saw that bird. One of them fish-eating birds swallowed a small bait fish right in here. So, like I said, wherever there's bait fish, there's usually bass. And sure enough, we finally got on them. But the wind has really been a challenge for us today.
It's been tough. Murky water, cold water.
Yep. But anyhow, fish fans, we're going to shut this down and get back to fishing, and we will see you guys in a bit. You were talking water temp, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cold. Pretty cold? Like ice?
Like ice, but it's definitely cold.
Yeah. In the 50s, huh? Yeah, 50-degree muddy water's rough to fish, fishing fans. Okay, we haven't begun to give up yet. It's the wind that's really hampering us. And it's gonna get worse. We're gonna try to find some sheltered areas to fish. See, it's 2:35 Tuesday afternoon, just before the big cold front storm.